just an old woman, dreaming my whole life with you. I'd lose myself for hours, watching the early sunlight dancing in your eyes. That sweet smile on your face could stop this world in time. All I ever wanted was your hand in mine for life. But time led us down another road. The years kept moving, my heart never let you go. 'Cause I still see your face in every golden sunset glow. I still hear your laughter like a melody I'll always know. Though we're miles apart and yesterday is gone, my hair turned gray, but my heart stays young. Still loving you, still holding on. Love never fades, it only learns to wait. Your name is on my lips, you're still in my heart. After all these years, now these hands are older, marked by every passing year. But one thought of your smile brings my younger heart back here. Sometimes I close my eyes and you're standing next to me. Your shining eyes, your lovely face, still the only one I see. Distance never measured love, time could never steal. What a young heart remembers lives forever, deep and true. Photographs may fade away, the mirror says I've grown old, but your face still lives inside my heart, shining brighter than the morning sun. 'Cause I still see your face in every golden sunset glow. I still hear your laughter like a melody I'll always know. Though we're miles apart and yesterday is gone, my hair turned gray, but my heart stays young. Still loving you, still holding on. Love never fades, it only learns to wait. Your name is on my lips, you're still in my heart. After all these years, love never grows old. Every beat I have still belongs to your heart. The years may pass, the seasons may change, but every time I close my